Mastering the Art of Liking. How to Influence Through Rapport and Connection. Cialdini. Liking, similarity, praise, familiarity. Welcome to the world of influence through the art of liking. Imagine a world where people naturally gravitate toward your ideas, eager to agree or lend support. This isn't fantasy, it's the power of Cialdini's liking principle. A cornerstone of persuasion, this technique plays on the fundamental truth: we are more agreeable with those we like. This principle leverages three key elements: similarity, praise, and familiarity, to build rapport and trust. Picture this. You meet someone new, and they seem to share your interests or background. This immediate similarity sparks affinity. Add genuine compliments, and you've got a recipe for deeper connection. These simple steps establish a subconscious bond, making others more receptive. Whether you're in sales, negotiation, or management, understanding and applying the liking principle transforms interactions. It reduces suspicion, fosters openness, and can be a game changer in professional and personal settings. In this masterclass, you'll discover actionable steps to harness this technique, wielded ethically to create genuine connections and recognize its use by others. By the end of this guide, you'll not only influence effectively, but also guard yourself against manipulation, ensuring every interaction is mutually beneficial. Why is liking so effective in influencing others? The answer lies in our psychological wiring. We are innately programmed to trust and agree with people we feel connected to. When we perceive similarity, receive praise, or recognize familiar faces or situations, our brains release positive chemicals like dopamine, enhancing our trust and openness. Think about a time when you instantly clicked with someone who shared your hobbies or values. That sense of similarity creates a bond, even before words are exchanged. Similarly, a well-placed compliment not only boosts the recipient's mood, but also their perception of the flatterer's sincerity. This psychological response is a cornerstone of social interaction, transforming ordinary exchanges into opportunities for influence. By understanding the brain's natural inclination to favor familiar or likable interactions, you can intentionally craft messages and behaviors that resonate. But remember, wielding this tool comes with responsibility. Ethical application respects the autonomy and welfare of others, creating win-win scenarios. Deceptive use, on the other hand, can lead to mistrust and damaged relationships. Recognize both ethical and manipulative uses to master the principle fully. To master the liking principle, follow these actionable steps. Identify common ground, offer sincere compliments, and ensure repeated positive interactions. Let's break this down. Step 1. Identify commonalities. Whether it's a shared experience, hobby, or even a mutual acquaintance, highlighting similarities builds a foundation of trust. Step 2. Deliver sincere compliments. Highlight strengths or admire contributions directly and honestly. For example, "I really admire your approach to problem solving." Make sure it feels natural and relevant to the context. Step 3. Foster familiarity through regular engagement. This creates consistent and comforting interactions, like being a familiar face in meetings or casual catch-ups over coffee. These steps cultivate a sense of rapport and cooperation. Applying these steps requires mindfulness to remain genuine. Fabricating commonalities or insincere praise erodes trust. Therefore, choose opportunities that feel organic and reflect authentic interests. Practice this pattern in everyday conversations to build rapport and influence, ensuring interactions are positive and beneficial for all involved. Consider a social event where you're meeting new people. You find yourself chatting with someone who's into the same activities as you. You start, "I noticed you're into hiking. I love exploring trails too. What's your favorite spot?" This simple recognition of similarity sets the stage. They respond positively, and as the conversation unfolds, you interject with sincere praise. "Your enthusiasm for the outdoors is really inspiring. Your stories make me want to hike even more." Here, your compliment is genuine, enhancing the bond further. Finally, suggest a future opportunity to connect. We should organize a group hike sometime. It'd be great to explore together and maybe learn more from each other's experiences. This offer builds familiarity and anticipation for future interaction. Remember, the key is authenticity. Each step is rooted in real interests and genuine praise. Practicing in casual social settings provides comfort with the pattern. Soon, you'll naturally incorporate these elements, turning mere acquaintances into friends and allies. In a professional setting, the liking principle is a powerful tool for collaboration and leadership, even without formal authority. Picture a meeting where you seek support for a new project. Our paths have crossed a lot in the past projects, and your insights were always spot on. I'd love to have your perspective as we draft this new initiative. Here, you leverage past familiarity and specific praise, fostering trust. Continue with identifying similarities and offer direct involvement. I noticed both of us value data-driven decisions. Your analytical skills could really help in shaping our strategy. This expression of like-mindedness encourages openness and a sense of partnership. Finally, propose continued collaboration. Let's schedule some time to brainstorm ideas. I think we could really make a difference together. This suggestion builds anticipation and positions you as someone who values and seeks their contribution. These professional interactions underline the importance of genuine appreciation and shared goals, leading to effective alliances and project success without exerting formal power.